Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to review some tile hole cutter. Is this thing I'm talking about. You can get it quite cheap from B&Q for under £5. However, it doesn't make perfectly rounded holes. So I would suggest you can use it somewhere to cut in a hole for a pipe that will be hidden under the sink, for example, or kitchen cupboard. I don't recommend this for making a holes that will be visible. How it works, it's got the main bit that drills the pilot hole, and then this extendable arm, when it spins around, it makes the mark first and then go deeper and deeper to make a hole. To extend the arm, you need to unscrew this nut here and then pull it up or down to the desired length. Also, you've got here some scale, so maybe you can manage through this. On the package it states that this can make a hole from 20 to 90 mil, so it looks quite good, but however, as I told you, it doesn't make a perfect rounded holes. And the reason of this is because it's got just one arm and instead of two, so it's very difficult to make it to keep it steady when you're drilling. The best if I can show you on a real tile, just drilling the tile through. When you drill the hole with this bit, try to keep the drill and the drill bit as straight to the tile as possible, and also do it really slowly. A bit water to prevent overheating. And that's what I was talking about. As you see, this cut around, it's not perfectly round. And this is because if you can't keep it steady and completely straight, so this bit in the middle just moves around. Also the extended arm, so all of this is quite eggy shape, as you see. But let's finish this hole. So that's the hole I drilled. As you see, it's not perfect, but you know, for the piping work behind the cupboard, it might be enough. Thanks for watching. If you think this was quite helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.